Good morning, friends. Today we will begin assignment number 5, 6, and 7. Probably we will also look into assignment number 8. So, assignment is also called as practical exercise. So, practical exercise number 5 is oral communication conversation. So, conversation is the part of oral communication. So, what is the meaning of conversation? Conversation happens every day. We may have them with family, friends, neighbors, and classmates. We all know a conversation is when we have one. We all know what a conversation is when we have one. Here are a few tips to improve your conversation skills. So, to improve your conversation, you have to follow some tips as follows. They are given in your practical manual. Such tips are: be a good listener. So, when you have to talk, first you have to listen. So, first of all, be a good listener, then ask questions. If you have any doubts, you can ask questions in conversation, then take interest. While making a conversation, you have to take interest in that conversation, then maintain eye contact. So, while talking with each other or while talking with another person, you have to maintain a thorough eye contact with that person. Don't look down or don't look upwards. Then find common ground. So, when you have to talk with someone, then find a common subject on which he is also interested, you are also interested. Then plan beginning and end of conversation. So beginning and end. So you have to plan beginning. So on which topic you are going to talk is called as beginning, and ending. So when talking becomes sufficient, then you have also end conversation. You have to end that conversation. So good beginning is half done. Then end end should be amicable or friendly. Then now we will go towards assignment. Here assignment is: teacher will form the pairs and guide the students about the topic. Students will demonstrate conversation before batchmates. So here, now we are not in front of each other, so face to face conversation is not possible. So what I will do, they in this assignment, you have to write the name of your partner uh, in your practical book. You can see in your practical book page number 16. Page number 16, you have to write a conversation. Write your name of the partner, as this person has written here. As you can see, this is the name of the partner and this is the conversation. So you have to write in such a way the conversation: name of the speaker, name of the listener, and next time he will be the speaker, you will be the listener. So in such a way you have to write conversation. uh, so you can select any topic for the conversation, as conversation about college, conversation about college trip, conversation about homework, etc. Then conversation, there are examples given in sample workbook. I will also share the copy of sample workbook. Then conversation 2, you have to write two conversations in this assignment. So at the bus stand, suppose you have to ask address to somebody, you don't know the address, you can ask someone who knows English and you can write down the conversation. Then the next assignment is assignment number 6, oral communication group discussion. So conversation is between two or maximum three people. This is conversation. But when there is a conversation among more than 3, 4, 5 people, or there are lots of people involved in the discussion, this conversation is called as group discussion. So what is group discussion? We have looked here now. So there are some tips for group discussion. So making a good impression while speaking in the meetings is the basic skill that every professional should possess. So while talking with people in a group, you have to always make your good impression. Then prepare your presentation points. So while delivering a presentation in group discussion, prepare your points on which points you are going to speak. Then note down the names of all the participants. So you have to note down the names of the participants so that when you talk with them, you call them with their names. So it makes a good impression. Then maintain a firm posture. So don't sit like that, or don't stand like in a topsy turvy manner. So you have to maintain a good posture. Posture is what? The way we sit, we stand, and we carry ourselves, that is called as posture. Then do not get emotional. So while speaking, don't sob like this. Be practical. Then pay attention to your body language. So what your body language is, you have to, like, use of gestures, your posture, use of facial expressions, maintaining eye contact. This is all about your body language. Then be courteous with other participants. So will also give respect to other participants. Then use figures and examples to support your points. Give actual data to support your points. Then now you have to write here the group discussion report. You have to write group discussion topic and the points you have prepared for this group discussion. So here in on page number 21, you have to write. So this is group discussion report, group discussion 1. Here topic is cleanliness is next to godliness, and you have to write preparation points mm, on the below lines. So here 1, 2, 3, these are the preparation points as you can see on the screen. So in such a way you have to write this assignment. Here you have to write group discussion 2 also. Then these two topics you have to write your group discussion. Then the next practical exercise is group debate, practical exercise number 7. So what is debate? Debate is when we argue with each other, when we are not satisfied with someone's points, we have some different points and we have to prove ourselves with that points. So this is called as group debate. So the debate is a formal discussion on a particular issue which has two sides. One is in favor and another is opposing it. So we also called it as pros and cons. So begin with a well defined intention and objective. Then don't be personal. Keep the debate about facts, logic, and the topic at hand. Then listen to and respect every viewpoint, even if you disagree. So these are a few tips about group debate, and you have to write the debate report, debate 1. So you have to write the report of debate 2 debates. You have to select the topic first. Here you can see in the sample workbook on the screen, here the topic is joint family is better than nuclear family. So this is the topic for group debate. Here you have to write the names of participants in favor and names of participant they are against. So favor and against you have to write. Then below that lines you have to write your preparation points. So on which points you are going to talk in this group discussion. Then you have to write points of agreements and points of disagreements. Then you have to write the report of debate 2. As you have written the report of debate 1, you have to write the report of debate 2. We have given it in the sample workbook. You can take the help of sample workbook and you can write. So this was all about the oral communication practicals. In the next assignments, we will look into the written communication practicals. So till then, study hard. We will meet next time. Thank you.